Guess I scared Shubis away. Where's the power cable that I just had? Okay. Oh, there it is. So if you've really got nothing else going on, then I guess I don't feel so bad about keeping you here, watching me do something that probably doesn't interest a whole lot of people. As long as you're not being coerced. Shubis going back to movie. Okay. He's better off, I'm sure. What's he watching? Anything good? What am I working on today? Messing around with my ham radio today. I'm going to connect the sound card to my Rig Blaster and to some speakers on the computer, and I want to install some decent logging software on the computer. There's a freeware Linux program called CQR Log that seems to have pretty good ratings. I want to play around with that, see if I can figure out how to use the program to do some DX radio contesting. There's also a program called Xlog that a lot of hams seem to like, but I installed it. I can't even figure out how to launch it. And then there's yet another program that I didn't install called Klog, which is based on the KDE platform. And I looked at that user interface, and it seemed very simplistic. I was like, okay, I don't think so. So JZen, that's a new username I haven't seen before. Are you new to the Zero Labs nerd herd here? And where dost thou hail from? Have you tuned your your antenna yet? Define tuned in. With my antenna tuner, or do you mean physically adjust the antenna? Okay, so I should now have juice to my speakers. Hopefully I don't come through the speakers when I transmit. Did the new Balun make a difference? Oh yeah. Yeah, the Balun made a huge difference. Let me throw some numbers at you. I jotted them down. I have them on a piece of paper somewhere. Just not here. Yeah, here we go. So a perfect match is 1-to-1 SWR. I have now, with the new Balun, I have a perfect match at 3.5 megahertz and a perfect match at 29.47 megahertz, which is the 10 meter band. I have an almost perfect match on 40, 20, and let's see, 17 meters. On 21 megahertz, which is 15 meters, I had a 2.4 to 1 SWR, which still isn't terrible. It's about 20% reflected power, maybe 15% reflected power, and I can adjust for that with the antenna tuner. And yeah. So on most bands, in most cases, I don't even absolutely need to use the tuner. So the tuner is there just for those bands that I can't tune in properly right now. And yeah, the damn thing works awesome. Awesome. And now I know it will handle about 2 kilowatts, so I can throw at it. I can throw anything I want at it, and it'll sit there and take it all day long. Let's see here. I've been following your channel a bit, at least a year. Enjoy your projects on the Rocket Mass heater and the Kesh device. Yeah, my Rocket Mass heater, boy, I'll tell you. There's another awesome project that I did that I just have difficulty topping. That thing works so great. I have it dialed in. All right, so do I have sound? Let's see here. Oh, yeah, I need to turn the power supply on, don't I? Yep.
Good luck, Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo.
Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo.
Delta Sierra again. Delta Sierra again. Kilo 6 Kilo Delta Sierra 591240. QSL 11 Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo. WPX Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo. Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo. Victor Alpha 3 again. Victor Alpha 3 again.
Brazil. Let's see.
Mike Lima Charlie. Okay, Lima Charlie. Nancy Lima Charlie, you're 591241. Good luck, Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo. Golf November Mike again. WAGNM 591242. Niner, Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo.
Kilo Echo 5, Oscar, Germany.
Oscar, Germany again.
Kilo Echo 5, Oscar, Germany.
K5OG 591243.
QSL, thank you, 59028.
28 Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo. Japan to Quebec Whiskey November 591244. 5 OK Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo. Echo Kilo Zulu again. Came for EKZ 591245. 103, good luck, Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
K3 CZY 591246. Go for 3, good luck, Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo. The Charlie Juliet again. Kilo Romeo 6, Foxtrot Hotel, you're 591248. Okay. Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Curious.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
WPX. Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo. Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
WPX. Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo. Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria.
WPX. Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo. Zulu Whiskey 5 Bravo.
Yeah, propagation has changed.
K6 GRD 591249.
More power, Mr. Scott. I need more power.
Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha Contact. Bravo Yankee 1 Alpha Sugar is okay, thank you. You are 591187, okay? Thank you. Kilo Alpha 3 Charlie, go ahead. Kilo Alpha 3 Charlie Zulu Yankee, you are 591187. Kilo 44 for me. Okay, thank you. Good luck. Bravo Yankee 1 Alpha Zulu. Bravo Yankee 1 Alpha Zulu is okay? Wait a minute. Your call sign is Bravo Yankee 1 Alpha Zulu. Alpha Zanzibar? No, sir. Your number was 1186, okay? Roger, Roger. Your call is Bravo Yankee 1 Alpha Sierra, is okay? Roger, Roger. Thank you. Okay. Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha, Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha, Contact.
Santiago, Chile.
Hotel Zebra Yankee 591188.
Santiago, Chile. Let's see if I can get them.
Thank you, Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha, Contact. Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha, Contact. CQ contact. Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha. Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha, contact.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
United.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo ending United. Kilo America United, 59, 1189. 102, thank you, Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha Contact.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria.
Victor Echo 3 Mike India Sugar, 59, 1190. 229, thank you, Charlie. Kilo Charlie 8, Oscar Bravo Hotel, 59, 1191. Number 5, thank you, Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha Contact.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria.
Ending Papa Sierra. Okay, Kilo Echo 6 Delta Papa Sierra, 59, 1192 for you, thank you. Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha Contact.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria.
Kilo Bravo Station.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria, you're 59, 1193.
Copy 1193. Please copy. You are 59. Please copy 055 055.
55.
55. Good DX.
My number is 5555.
QSL 055 QSL.
55, thank you. Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha Contact. Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha Contact.
2165.
November ending Echo.
5959 1193.
November 8 Mike. November 8 Mexico Echo 59 1194.
Radio Club of Chile.
Number 4. Yes, sir, thank you, Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha Contact. Alpha Alpha Bravo. Kilo 2 Alpha Alpha Bravo. Okay, sorry, Kilo 6 Alpha Alpha Bravo 59 1195. 118 for me. Thank you, good luck, Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha Contact. Kilo Delta 6 Alpha Foxtrot, 59 1196. Thank you, strong signal, thank you. Charlie Echo 3 Alpha Alpha Contact.
Now that was 15 meters. Let's go to 20.
What's my number? 9494. Okay, 9191. They got you, Todd. Thanks. W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest. CT contest, CQ W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest. A3MD, hi Tom, you're 59167.
Oregon. I gotta get this one.
Yeah, you too. Don't get on this mode very often. 73, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
W4NNF, thank you. You're 159168. USL, thanks. W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee. CQ contest, CQ W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
USL, thank you. 70. Roger, you're 59049 in North Dakota. Oh, thanks for North Dakota. 73, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee. CQ contest, CQ W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest. CQ contest, CQ W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest. CQ contest, CQ W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest. CQ contest, CQ W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest. CQ contest, CQ W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor, thank you. You're 59171, 171.
QSL, you are 59, number 056. Good luck.
Okay, thanks for 56. QRZ, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee.
Woohoo! Oregon! Ha ha ha!
CQ W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest. CQ contest, CQ W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest. Hey, how you doing, Steve? KNA. U3Q, you're 59172. Okay, thanks. Catch you on the next one. QRZ, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee. CQ contest, CQ W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest. WX7KM, thank you. You're 59173. QSL, thank you. 73, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee. W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest. CQ contest, CQ W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest. Mike Bravo, November. November 4, Mike Bravo, November. Thank you. You're 59174. There we go. You're also 59. Number 40, 40. Thank you. Okay, thank you. QRZ, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee. Who is it? Thank you. You're 59175. USL, thank you for 78. QRZ, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee. Contest, CQ W7WHY, W7 Whiskey Hotel Yankee contest. Okay, Tango Papa Lima. WBA Tango Lima India, thank you. You're 59176. Yes, 745, Roger? Roger, 745, thank you. Thank you, 73, Tango Travel 9. I'll never wait that November, Foster Country. Mike Bravo, Whiskey Radio 7, Quebec, 59746. Yes, sir. 73, 47. One, 516. Roger, thank you. 73. November 8, Mike Echo, is correct? Roger, 597, 48. Roger, number 7, thank you. 73. Bravo, November. Victor Papa, the station Victoria Papa. Victor Papa. Roger, 015 for 259, 749, Roger. Thank you, 73, Tango Germany 9, Alpha November Foxtrot.
Tango Germany 9.
Echo Charlie, the station Echo Charlie.
Alpha November Foxtrot, huh?
Roger, America, Italy 6, Echo Charlie 59750. Roger, 035, thank you, 73. Gestation number 7, gestation number 7 again.
Alpha 7 Bravo Zulu India.
Repeat again your call.
Delta 7 Delta Echo Golf.
Roger, 59751, Roger. 040, Roger.
Roger, Roger.
Roger, thank you, 73.
Whiskey Alpha 7 November 7 Victor Zulu uniform.
Okay, gestation November 7, November 7.
November 7 Victor Zulu uniform.
Victor Zulu United 59752.
Thank you for the 752. November 7 Victor Zulu uniform. 5957.
Roger, 157, thank you, 73.
Which
00, gestation 00. 59753. 122, thank you, 73.
Whiskey Alpha 7 Bravo Zulu India.
Whiskey Alpha 7 again.
Whiskey Alpha 7 Bravo Zulu India.
Okay, Whiskey Alpha 7 Bravo.
Roger, Roger. Whiskey Alpha 7 Bravo Zulu India.
Roger, Zulu Italy 597.
US Alpha 754, you're 023, 023. Roger, Roger.
Roger, thank you, 73. November, Florida, Tango, Guatemala 9. American, November 21st. Delta 7, Radio Charlie, see ya. 755. 024, thank you, 73. Whiskey 8, Tango Mike, is correct? Roger, Whiskey 8, I'm sorry. Whiskey 8, Tango, Mexico, 59756, 756. 120. Thank you, 73, Tango Germany 9, Alpha November Foxtrot. Okay, one station, too much distortion, too many distortion, no copy.
Alpha Charlie 1 Alpha Charlie 1 United.
Okay, the station United.
Alpha Charlie 1 United.
Alpha Charlie 1 United, is correct?
Roger, Roger.
Roger, 59757.
Thank you, 592-713.
2613.
Roger.
Thank you, 73, Tango Sherman 9, Alpha November Foxtrot. The sector in Japan? Again? Roger, Kilo 6, Japan, 5978. 1, 2, 3. 1, Kilo 3. Thank you, 73, QRZ.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Okay, your second Kilo Delta, you got too many distortion. Negative copy. Kilo Delta is many distortion. QRZ.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
So, radio, kilowatt. That's your second number 7? Kilo Fox 7, Whiskey, radio, sugar. Tango Sherman 9, American, November, Florida. Kilo Fox 7, Whiskey, radio, kilowatt, radio, kilowatt. Kilo Florida 7 again. Kilo Florida 7, Whiskey, radio, sugar. Radio, Whiskey, radio, sugar, 59759. Philadelphia, Philly, 5991, 91. Roger, 91, thank you, 73, Tango Sherman 9, American, November, Florida, Kansas.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo America, 5, and Mexico, correct? Roger, 59760. Roger. 5-4. Roger, thank you, 73.
Kilo Germany 7, Oscar, Sierra, Oscar.
Kilo Victor, Kilo Victoria. 174. Roger, you call Whiskey 5, Kilo Victor, Roger? Roger, Whiskey Bravo 5, Kilo Victor, Roger? Roger, 59761. Thank you, 73, Tango Sherman 9, Alpha, November, Foxtrot, Kansas.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Victor Echo 3. Is a Victor Echo 3, Sugar Delta, 59762. 104, thank you, 73.
You're Oscar, KG7,
Papa, you take on Alpha Mike Papa? Repeat again, Kilo? Kilowatt, Kilo, radio, kilowatt. Is a Kilo 1 Alpha Mexico Papa, Roger? Roger, Kilo 9 Alpha Mexico Papa, 59763. 120, Roger? 120, Roger? 120, Roger? Roger, Sherman 9, American, November.
Germany 7, Oscar, Sierra, Oscar. Sorry, 69, 041, Thank you, 73, Hotel Charlie 0 Echo Contact. Hotel Charlie 0 Echo Contact. Kilo Alpha 5, Mike Kyoto.
Ecuador.
Okay, 59570 Kyoto.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Hotel Charlie Zero Echo Foxtrot.
Kilowatt Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Hotel Charlie Zero Echo Foxtrot.
Wow.
November 8 again. November 8, Romeo Bravo, Hotel. Okay, 595 Hotel Charlie 2 Alpha Oscar. You just whiskey and I let go whiskey. Thank you, 59329. Thank you, Hotel Charlie 2 Alpha Oscar. Eagle Mike 5 Juliet Whiskey. KSRJW 59330. My number 330. Yourself, 59098. Good luck. 98 is it? Yeah, 98. Thank you, sir. Hotel Charlie 2 Atlantic. Nikolai Paro, drop Paro. Again? Natasha Paro, drop Paro. Nikolai Paro, drop Paro. Natasha, Nikolai Paro, drop Paro. Спасибо, планируйте. 1-5, 0-5. Еще раз, Коля? 15-05. 1-5, 0-5. Ой, да очень слабо принимаю. Еще раз? 1-5, 0-5. 1-5, 0-5. Спасибо, удачи. Hotel Charlie 2 Alpha Oscar. Whiskey 9, ready to tango. You want to take 2, you're 59332. Thank you, sir. Landing Juliet. NTBC, you're 59333. Hotel Charlie 2 Alpha Oscar. We worked before, I guess. No problem. Hotel Charlie 2 Alpha Oscar. Victor Echo 7 Delta, Papa Delta. India. Before India.
Another Ecuador.
Again. Is it Kilowatt 9 Radio Sierra? Kilowatt call 40 59343. Kilowatt call 40 59333. 125? 165, got it, thank you. Who's the Radio Sierra? Radio Sierra 59334. Is it still working? 030? 020, thank you, good luck. Hotel Charlie. Victor Echo 7 Delta, Papa Delta. Papa Kilo 59335. Victor Echo 7 Delta, Papa Delta. So Victor Echo 7 Delta, Papa Delta, you're 59336. Yeah, QSL, you're 59 plus, and 019 QSL. My number is what? 019. 019, 7 Delta, Papa Delta, Roger. QSL. Thank you, Hotel Charlie 2 Alpha Oscar.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo 2 X-ray, you're 59339. 205, find the number 337, Roger. Thank you, Hotel Charlie 2 Alpha Oscar.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot what?
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria.
Florida Victoria, 59338.
Copy 59338. You are 59057. 57 QSL.
Thank you, Hotel Charlie 2 Alpha Oscar. Contest Hotel Charlie 2 America Oscar.
Contest Hotel Charlie 2 Alpha Oscar. Contest Hotel Charlie 2 Alpha Oscar. Contest Hotel Charlie 2 Alpha Oscar. Kilo 4 Papa Victor. Is it Kilo 4 Papa Victor? 59339 or 591200 1200. What's the number again? 1200. 12 o'clock. Is it 2500? 1200. 1200. 1200. Kilo 4 Papa Victor.
It amazes me. It absolutely amazes me. With the modern equipment that most of these guys are operating, how the hell they can't figure out what frequency to transmit on that is the same as the person that they're trying to listen to. It just, ugh, one of those things that irritates me.
What is the last letter? Is it Alpha Juliet? Roger, thank you. 59, number 1427. Roger, 18, thank you. QRZ, Victor Echo 4, Victor Tango.
Victor Echo 4, Victor Tango.
CQ contest, Victor Echo 4, Victor Tango, Victor Echo 4, Victor Tango contest.
Oh, he's not very far.
CQ contest, Victor Echo 4, Victor Tango, Victor Echo 4, Victor Tango contest. Victor Alpha 7, Charlie Romeo Zulu. Victor Alpha 7, Charlie Romeo Zulu. Good evening, 59, number 1428. 1428, QSL, please copy 59401. 401, thanks. QRZ, Victor Echo 4, Victor Tango.
Kilo Bravo 1, Foxtrot Victor.
KB1, Foxtrot Victor, 59, number 1429.
Copy 1429. Please copy 59, number 058.
58, thanks. QRZ, Victor Echo 4, Victor Tango. QRZ contest from Victor Echo 4, Victor Tango. Whiskey 1, is it Charlie Tango? Okay, Whiskey 1, is it Whiskey 1, Whiskey Charlie Tango? Okay, thanks. You 59, number 1430. Radio Alpha, Kilo Lima 7, Radio Alpha, contact. Did you contact Kilo Lima 7, Radio Alpha, Kilo Lima 7, Radio Alpha, contact. Did you contact Kilo Lima 7, Radio Alpha, Kilo Lima 7, Radio Alpha, contact.
Anchorage, Alaska.
Did you contact Kilo Lima 7, Radio Alpha, Kilo Lima 7, Radio Alpha, contact.
Kilo Bravo 1, Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo 1, Foxtrot Victor, thanks. 591853.
Thank you for the 1853. You are 59, number 059.
Thank you for 59. Good luck. Kilo Lima 7, Radio Alpha.
Anchorage, Alaska. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Full call. Okay, I got Charlie Tango. I'm missing something else. Whiskey 1, Charlie Tango. Okay, Whiskey 1, Charlie Tango. 591854. Okay, I got it corrected. Whiskey 1, Whiskey Charlie Tango, 591834. Thanks. USL, KL7RA. Kilo Lima 7, Radio Alpha. Did you contact Kilo Lima 7, Radio Alpha, Kilo Lima 7, Radio Alpha, contact. Did you contact Kilo Lima 7,
Yes, ma'am. 59155.
My number?
155.
155, thank you. Charlie Baker, 1 Hotel. Charlie Bravo, 1 Hotel, Countess. Countess, Charlie Baker, 1 Hotel. Whiskey Bravo 8, Quebec. Okay, Quebec, X-Ray Hotel, you're 59691. Zero 4, thank you. Charlie Baker, 1 Hotel.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Charlie M. Charlie Baker, 1 Hotel.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo 1.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria.
Okay, Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor, you're 592.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria. Florida Victoria.
Kilo Baker 1 Foxtrot Victor, you're 59692.
Is that 692 QSL?
My number?
Your number.
Give me my number, please.
You are 59, number 060.
80 QSL.
60.
Hotel. Charlie Baker, 1 Hotel. Charlie Bravo, 1 Hotel, Contact. Charlie Bravo, 1 Hotel. Charlie Bravo, 1 Hotel, Contact. Charlie Bravo, 1 Hotel. Charlie Bravo, 1 Hotel, Contact.
Victor Alpha 7 Delta Papa.
Victor Alpha 7.
Victor Alpha 7 Delta Papa.
Victor Alpha 7 Delta Papa, you're 59693.
Thank you for 693. You're 59, number 52.
Number?
5252.
Okay, 52. Charlie Bravo, 1 Hotel. Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Radio Whiskey, 59692. Hi, 591351. Contact, take your contact. November, Romeo 6, Quebec. Contact, take your contact. November, Romeo 6, Quebec. Contact, take your contact. November, Romeo 6, Quebec. Contact. 6 kilowatt Charlie 1 Bravo Radio Alpha, you're 591352. And my call is November Romeo 6, Quebec, you're 591352. I need a serial number, please. Serial number? Answer for number 7. Number 3, enter 62. Contact. You're 591353. Was that 006?
I love this guy's QRZ page.
Alpha Delta 0, Juliet Alpha, you're 591354. Thank you for 14473. And our 6 contest? Begin to your contest, November Romeo 6, Quebec contact.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo 1, Foxtrot Victor, you're 591355.
Thank you for the 1355, Gregory. Love your QRZ page. You are 59, number 061.
61.
61 QSL.
I'm sorry, I have a little bit of QR in it. That's 61?
061, that's correct. 061, Roger, Roger.
Kilo Delta 0, Charlie Victor Zulu. Kilo Delta 0, Charlie Charlie, Victor, Zulu, you're 5. QSL, you're 59015. Thank you for number 50. And our 62, contact. 62, 65. November Romeo, Quebec. 62, contact, 65. November Yankee. Siki contest, Victor Echo 7, November Yankee. Victor Echo 7, November Yankee. Again. Kilo Golf again. With a 4 Kilo Golf. With a 4 Kilo Golf again. Okay, November Charlie 4 Kilo Golf to 59316. You 59316. Again, what's my number? Okay, 004. Thank you. Victor Echo 7, November Yankee contest. Contest, Victor Echo 7, November Yankee. Papa Yankee 5, Lima Hotel, you 59317. Papa Yankee 4, Lima Hotel, 317. What's my number? 126. 317. Okay, what's my number? 126. 126. Okay, thank you. Victor Echo 7, November Yankee contest.
Kilo Bravo 1, Foxtrot Victor.
Is that Victor?
Kilowatt Bravo 1, Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo 1, Fox Victor, you 59318.
Thank you for the 318. You are 59062.
062, thank you. B7NY contest. Victor Echo 7, November Yankee contest. Where's the contest? B7NY. Hotel, Lima Hotel. November Sierra, you're 59926, Kilo Go. Okay, 26, okay, thank you very much. Kilo Tango 7, Kilo 7, Echo, Kilo Delta. November 1, Zulu Zulu. What is November 1, Zulu Zulu? Okay, 931 Zulu Zulu. Alright, okay. Okay, 991 Zulu Zulu, 059927. Thank you, Central 927, you're 59033, your call. Okay, number 33, we call here in Tango, India 2, Yankee, copy? Yep, thank you. Thank you very much. Kilo Tango 7, India. Okay, Kilo Tango 7, India, you're 59928. QSL, you're 591011. 1011, copy. Thank you, 73. Kilo 9, Delta. November 9, say again. November 9. Romeo Alpha 9 Victor. Romeo Alpha 9 Victor. You're 59929. 903 copies. 93, thank you. I get them here. Okay, whiskey 240. You're Zulu here. Sorry. You're 59930. QSL. 147 copies. Thank you very much. 73. Tango India 203 again. November 8, Mike Echo, you're 59931. Zulu Radio. Will reach you 6 November. Again? Contest Whiskey Zulu 7, Zulu Radio. Take your Contest Whiskey Zulu 7, Zulu Radio. Take your Contest Whiskey Zulu 7, Zulu Radio. Number 2, Papa, Quebec, Quebec, is that a Roger? Papa, Quebec, Juliet, 591132. Papa Quebec Juliet, I need the number again. 01. Okay, thank you. QR, sir. Take your Contest Whiskey Zulu 7, Zulu Radio.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Foxtrot Victor?
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor, 591133.
Thank you for the 1133. You are 59063.
Number again?
063. 063.
043.
063. 63.
Again the number.
063. 63.
063. We're starting to lose propagation now. I got it. 063. Thanks. QR, sir.
Agreed.
Take your Contest Whiskey Zulu 7, Zulu Radio. Take your Contest Whiskey Zulu 7, Zulu Radio. Take your Contest Whiskey Zulu 7, Zulu Radio. Any echo? Victor Queen 5 Echo, you're 591134. Thank you, QRZ. Kilo Charlie 2, Mike Bravo Victor, 591135. Alpha Bravo 1, X-Ray Alpha, 591396.
Time to change bands. Bosnia.
Italy. 292734. Thank you. Echo 7 Delta X-ray. Sierra 51. Sugar 51 Florida. Pay damage. Lost set them 3 page. Follow Echo 7 Delta X-ray. Echo 7 Delta X-ray. Contest Echo 7 Delta X-ray.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria 592736.
Thank you for the 2736. You are 59 number 6464.
64.
QSL.
Radio 7, Quebec 592737.
Copy, 193.
What was the number?
193.
193.
Ocean Echo 3 Kilo, Ocean Echo 3 Kilo, what's contact? Ocean Echo 3 Kilo, Ocean Echo 3 Kilo, what's contact? Ocean Echo 3 Kilo, Ocean Echo 3 Kilo, what's contact? Hotel Go, Sherman Tango. Hotel Sherman, Sherman Tango. Roger, 59878.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor. Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor. Kilowatt Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victoria, Florida Victoria. Thank you for the 2095. You are 5906565.
4 Echo Kilo Zulu, you're 592096, Roger. Kilo Mike 40, Echo Kilo Zulu, you're 592096.
That last contact was Austria.
N8 Bravo Uniform Sugar 592600. November 8 Bravo Uniform Sierra. Please copy 59 number 5. Thank you for the 5. Delta Queen 2 Charlie.
Delta Queen 2 Charlie.
Kilo Delta 2 Golf X-Ray Lima.
Germany.
Kilo Delta 2 Golf X-Ray Lima 592601. Thank you, Delta Queen 2 Charlie. Whiskey 8, Echo Delta Whiskey. Whiskey? Whiskey 0, Echo Delta Whiskey. Whiskey 0, Echo Delta Whiskey. Whiskey 8, number 8, Echo Delta Whiskey. 059, and number 11. 11 from November 8, Echo Delta Whiskey. QSL? Whiskey 8, Echo Delta Whiskey, 592602, QSL? QSL, you're 59, number 11. Thank you, Delta Queen 2 Charlie.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo 1 Fox.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
KB1 Fox Victor, 592603.
2603, copy, you are 59066, 66.
Thank you for the 66, Delta Queen 2 Charlie. WB4 YDY 592604. 59355. Thank you for the 355, the number 2604, 04, okay? 04, QSL, thank you. Thanks, Delta Queen 2 Charlie. K5, Queen Echo Alpha 592605. And ready. Charlie radio. Sugar 53 Mike, Sierra 53 Mexico. DC-1 Charlie Romeo Kilo 59937. This is 005. This is 005, 005. 055. 15. Give me again. W1 Charlie Romeo Kilo, Kilo 85, 73. Sugar 53 Mexico, contest. Sugar 53 Mexico, Sugar 53 Mike, contest. Sugar 40 Alpha. Sugar Charlie Charlie. Sugar 40 Alpha. Romeo Victor 4 Charlie Charlie, 59938. Thank you, Sugar 53 Mike. Sugar 40 Alpha. Kilo. Alpha. Whiskey Alpha 3 Alpha Foxtrot Sierra, you're 59939. Thank you, Sugar 53 Mike. Kilo 3 Ocean Radio Charlie. Romeo Charlie. Kilowatt 3 Ocean Radio Charlie. Romeo Charlie, please again. Kilowatt 3 Ocean Radio Charlie. Kilo 3 Ocean Radio Charlie. And Kilo 3 Oscar Romeo Charlie 59940. USL 59145 145. Thank you, Sugar 53 Mike. Tango 4 Alpha 59941. 84. 8222. Yes, 8222. Thank you, Sugar 53 Mike. Sugar 53 Mike, Sierra 53 Mike. Alpha Delta 4. Whiskey Echo. Alpha Delta 4 is good. Alpha Delta 55, Alpha Tango 59942. Again? 20, thanks, Sugar 53 Mike. November 2, Bravo Juliet. N2 TJ 59943. Roger, you're 59489. Thank you, Sugar 53 Mike. Alpha Delta 4 Whiskey Echo. Alpha Delta 4 Whiskey Echo 5 Victoria. Roger, Roger, Whiskey Echo 5 Victoria. You're 59944. 59036. Thank you, Sugar 53 Mike.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Whiskey 9 Kilo X-ray, Quebec 59945. Delta 945 to 59183, 183. Thank you, Sugar 53 Mike. Alpha Structure 4. Alpha Delta 4 059946. Delta 5912002. Thank you, Sugar 53 Mike.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria.
Florida.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria.
Florida Sierra Juliet. Is it Kilo Bravo 1 Fox Sierra Juliet?
Negative. Kilowatt Bravo 1 Florida Victoria. Florida Victoria.
AB 1 Fox
Copy 947, you are 5967, 67.
Again, the number?
You are number 067.
067, thank you. Sugar 53, Mike.
November 8, Yankee, Quebec X-ray.
Who was the 0? Kilo Ateco 0 Kilo Zulu 59948.
Roger, you're 59134.
Thank you. Sugar 53, Mike.
November 8, Yankee, Quebec Kilo X-ray clear, flight 2621. Thank you, Delta Creed 2 Charlie. Kilowatt, what out? Charlie Golf. And then it goes to 4. If I'm your first contact, that'd be number 1. QSL? If I'm your first contact in the contest, that'd be number 1. Get it? 73. Steelers there, November Romeo 5. Echo Charlie 7, Whiskey Romeo. Echo Charlie 7, Whiskey Romeo. You're 593, 2133. 2133, thank you. 378. 378, Roger. Thank you, George. The Bravo 4, Bravo 18906. Kilo Bravo, 5918970. Hotel 59231, over. 231, check, Sugar 55 Tango, contest. Get a 55 Tango, get a 55 Tango, contest. Get a 55 Tango, get a 55 Tango, contest. Get a 55 Tango, get a 55 Tango, contest. Get a 55 Tango, get a 55 Tango, contest. Get a 55 Tango, get a 55 Tango, contest. Get a 55 Tango, get a 55 Tango, contest. November 8, Charlie Whiskey, uniform, thank you. You're 592454.
Southeast County 59203, 203.
203, thanks. Hotel Germany 1, Sugar. Good job for 2 Echo Sugar. You're 592455. 46, thank you. Hotel Germany 1, Sugar.
Kilo Delta 9, Delta Romeo.
Other Kilo Delta 9.
Delta Romeo Echo.
Delta Radio Echo, you're 592456.
Copy 2456, you are 041, 59041, Roger.
Roger, Hotel Germany 1, Sugar.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
KB1 again.
Kilowatt Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
KB1 FE, you're 592457.
2457, you are 59068.
Is it 66?
6868.
Okay, 68. Hotel Germany 1, Sugar.
Whiskey 9, Mike, X-Ray, Quebec.
W9 Mike.
W9, Mike, X-Ray, Quebec, 59052.
052, is it W9 Mike X-Ray Quebec? Is that a Roger?
That's a Roger.
That is Roger, you're 5924, it's flight to 58.
Whiskey 9, Mike, X-Ray, Quebec, 052.
052 QSL, you're 592458. Good luck.
Thank you.
Sure, that's it. November 8, Yankee X-Ray Romeo. Whiskey Delta 5 Kilowatt, you're 592459. Is it 880? That is Roger. Hotel, you're 592459. Good luck. Hotel Germany 1, Sugar. November 8, Yankee X-Ray Romeo. November 8, Santa Cruz. 59498. That's okay. Thank you. Tango, Mike, Zero, Tango, got it. Thank you, got it. Tango, Mike, Zero, Tango. Zero, Mike, Zero, Tango, got it. And 0, 6, 4,
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor. Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria. Florida Victoria. Copy 2734, you are 069, you are 59069. Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor. Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor. Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria. Kilowatt Bravo 1 Florida Victoria. The number again, please. 1738. (1748) QSL, you are number 070-59070. QSL. Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor. Copy 2101, you are 59071. 07171. 7171. Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor. Copy 1191. 59, you are 072. 072. 7272. Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor. Copy 2648, you were 5973, 5973. Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor. Kilowatt Bravo 1 Florida Victoria. Copy 1433 59074 074. Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Lima Zulu 5 kilo, Lima Zulu 5 kilowatt contact. Lima Zulu 5 kilo, Lima Zulu 5 kilowatt contact.
Kilowatt Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo 1 Fox again.
Kilowatt Bravo 1 Florida Victoria.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria. 59910, Roger.
Copy 910 59075 075.
275, Roger.
Negative 075 75.
Okay, 075. Thank you. Good luck.
73. Good luck.
Tuesday, Lima Zulu 5 kilowatt.
That was Bulgaria.
Echo X-ray again. Echo X-ray again.
Secure contact, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, contact. Secure contact, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, contact. Secure contact, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, contact. Secure contact, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, contact. Secure contact, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, contact.
Kilowatt Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
What was?
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria.
Kilo Bravo 1 Victor, 52321.
The number again, please. What is my number again, please?
Kilo Bravo 1 Fox Victor.
Kilowatt Bravo 1 Florida Victoria. What is my number again, please?
2321, 23 to 21.
Copy 2321. You are 59, number 7676.
And what is my number?
7676.
Secure contact, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, contact. Secure contact, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, Oscar Mike 5 Zulu Whiskey, contact.
United
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria, 591705.
Copy 1705. You are 59077. Good luck.
My number.
077 QSL.
Whiskey Korean 5 Mike Mike. Whiskey Korean 5 Mike Mike. Kilo Echo 3 November 592349. Thank you, Whiskey Korean 5 Mike Mike. Whiskey Korean 5 Mike Mike. Zulu X-ray. Whiskey Zulu X-ray 592350. USL 59012. Thank you, Whiskey Korean 5 Mike Mike.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Whiskey Korean 5 Mike Mike Hunter. Whiskey Korean 5 Mike Mike Hunter. Lord with your best 4 X-ray 592351. What number? Kilo Nancy Defense 4 X-ray. What is my number? Nancy Defense 4 X-ray. 632, Roger. 632, correct? Repeat my number. Has no contact, no longer. Whiskey Quebec 5 Mike Mike. Whiskey Green 5 Mike Mike Hunter.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Whiskey Green 5 Mike Mike Hunter.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Again?
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor. All right, time to go for the low-hanging fruit.
Okay, you see that report 59678. 678, yes, sir? No, negative, 677. 678. Yes, sir?
Kilo 9 Alpha. TQ contest, Kilo 9 Alpha. TQ contest, Kilo 9 Alpha. Kilo 9 Alpha contest. TQ contest, Kilo 9 Alpha. Kilo 9 Alpha contest. TQ contest, Kilo 9 Alpha. Kilo 9 Alpha contest. TQ contest, Kilo 9 Alpha. Kilo 9 Alpha contest. TQ contest, Kilo 9 Alpha. Kilo 9 Alpha contest.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Who's the one Foxtrot?
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo 1 Foxtrot, something 591065.
Copy 1065. Call sign Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victoria. You are 59078.
What's the call? Florida Victor, is that right?
QSL KB1 Florida Victoria. You are 59 number 078.
Thank you. TQ contest, Kilo 9 Alpha.
Kilo Charlie 9, Yankee Lima.
What is it, Kilo Charlie?
Kilo Charlie 9, Yankee Lima.
Kilo Charlie 9 Yankee Lima. Arrow, Bravo. USL 1782, number 3. Thank you, Kilo 3. Yankee Kilo 1, Yankee number?
Your number 108, 108, I need
Roger, 108. Okay, where's that? 5 Echo, 5 Echo.
my number.
Mexico station.
5 Echo, Whiskey 9, Yankee Kilo.
Lost letter Kilo.
Whiskey 9, Yankee Kilo, 59108, 108. My number.
Roger, 108. 108. I understand. You want that?
Right, I need my number from you.
Roger, number 1387. 1387.
QSL 1387. 1387, Roger.
Good luck. You want that? 5 Echo, 5 Echo. Whiskey Bravo to November. Whiskey Bravo to November. Whiskey Bravo to November. Whiskey Bravo to November, please only stopping. Whiskey Bravo to November. You are that 5 Echo, 5 Echo. 5 Echo, 5 Echo. Kilo 12 Mexico Bravo 591388. Kilo 12 Mexico Bravo 591388. Kilo 12 Mike Delta. 3 Mike Delta. Roger, Kilo 13 Mike Delta 591388. 999, Roger. Good luck, you are good. 5 Echo, 5 Echo.
Kilo Bravo 1, Foxtrot Victor.
5 Echo, 5 Echo.
Kilo Bravo 1, Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Alpha 1 Victor Echo 591389. 5 Echo, 5 Echo.
Kilo Bravo 1, Fox Victor.
Kilo 4 Papa Charlie 1390. 5 Echo, 5 Echo. Tango 40 Alpha. Kilo 4. Tango 14 Alpha. Kilo 4. Tango 14 Alpha. Kilo 4 Tango. Tango 14 Alpha. Tango 14 Alpha. I copy. Tango 40 Alpha. 591391. Again number? 836. Black 5. Thank you. 836. Okay. So what's that? 5 Echo, 5 Echo.
Kilo Bravo 1, Foxtrot Victor.
Kilo Bravo.
Kilo Bravo 1, Florida Victoria.
Kilo Bravo station.
Kilo Bravo 1, Florida Victoria.
Kilo Bravo 1, Florida Victoria. 5939 1392.
Copy 1392. You are 59, number 7979.
Again number?
7979.
79. Good luck. 5 Echo, 5 Echo.
That was Morocco. Not bad.
You have that 5 Echo, 5 Echo. You got that Charlie Rotary 2 Alpha Alpha. You got that Charlie Rotary 2 Alpha Alpha. Audio? Alpha Bravo 4 Golf Radio, farm down to 1670. Alpha Bravo 4 Golf Radio, farm down to 1670. South Canada, Norway 2 Alpha Alpha. Papa Charlie Hotel. Okay, 3 Papa Charlie X-ray, 591, 671. Good South Canada, Norway 2 Alpha Alpha. Take your contact, Charlie Norway 2 Alpha Alpha. Again. Whiskey something. Whiskey 5 whiskey. Okay, Whiskey 5 whiskey India 591-672. South Canada, Norway 2 Alpha Alpha. Again. Mexico. Alpha Echo 8 Mexico 591-673. Alpha Echo 4 Mike, you're 591-673. Yes, sir, Canada, Norway 2 Alpha Alpha. Canada, Norway 2 Alpha Alpha. Did you have that Saturday, Norway 2 Alpha Alpha?
Kilo Bravo 1, Foxtrot Victor.
KB 1 Victor 591-674.
Thank you for the 51674. Hello again on 40. You are 59080.
Canada, Norway 2 Alpha Alpha. Canada, Norway 2 Alpha Alpha. Whiskey 4 Kilowatt Whiskey. W4KW 591-675. Canada 1675, copy 59488, over. Canada, Norway 2 Alpha Alpha. Did you got that Saturday, Norway 2 Alpha Alpha? Did you got that Saturday, Norway 2 Alpha Alpha? Did you got that Saturday, Norway 2 Alpha Alpha? Did you got that too? Thank you. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Whiskey Germany 2 Bravo 592-819. Thank you. Tango Mike 6 Mike. City Countess. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Countess. City Countess. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Countess. City Countess. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Countess. City Countess. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Countess. City Countess. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Countess. Again. With the 7 Juliet. Again. Tango Mike 6 Mexico. Countess. City Countess. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Countess.
Kilo Bravo 1, Fox Victor.
With Kilo Bravo 1 Fox.
Kilowatt Bravo 1, Florida Victoria.
Kilo Bravo 1 Florida Victor 592-820.
Copy 2820. You are 59081.
081, thanks. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Tango 46 Tango 592-821. Yeah, Roger. 033, no problem. Thank you. Tango Mike 6 Mike. Taking out there. Tango Mike 6 Mike.
Okay, that's enough of that. So Z 6 to 1 working. Z is in a Hamtrans. Does anyone understand the number Z is saying? What are they for? They're call signs in the phonetic alphabet. Yeah. Let's see. The numbers are, the first two numbers are the signal report, and the second set of numbers is the serial number of the contact for the contest that we are participating in. So when you say you copy somebody 5 by 9, that means you hear them very well, or at least well enough to be completely understood. So when you respond to a station that is calling you and you give them their signal report, you say they are 5-9, and then you give them their serial number, which is the sequential number in your logbook for the contest, so that the contact can be verified later on, so that they can earn awards and points for making, you know, thousands and thousands of contests or contacts during the course of a contest. And that's the whole game of ham radio contesting. You know, they try to see how many contacts they can make. And then, of course, to eliminate any ambiguity when you're attempting to transmit your call signs, since so many letters sound like similar letters, the best way to do it is to give your call sign phonetically. So the alphabet goes Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Hotel, etc., etc. And that way, you know, people get the call signs correctly. 10 codes. 10 codes. Yo, mercy sakes, good buddy. What's your 1020? Don't even get me started on that bullshit. So anyway, I want to finish hooking up the sound card and get the appropriate software installed on the computer for my logbook. Because right now I'm just using the online logbook at qrz.com. I don't know if you can actually see it. Let me see if I can pull it up for you. Now let me finish making my drink here, and then I'll see if I can pull it up for you. If I can give you a link, you can see all of the stations that I've worked today. It's kind of fun. .1020 is the location. 10-4, good buddy. That's right. I get a kick out of people who say, okay, 10-4, roger. That's totally redundant. What's your 60? Either somebody fat-fingered the keyboard, or they don't know their 10 codes. That's some pretty funny shit right there. Squat in the vicinity. All right. Let's see. I don't know if my logbook is shared publicly, so I'm gonna bring up the browser here and see. So yeah, you can see my logbook. If you go to my QRZ page and you click the logbook tab, you can see all of the stations that I worked today. Oh no. Apparently you can't. You can only see the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, you can only see the last 15 contacts that I made. Huh. Latest contacts for KB1FV. Oh well. So you can see I've been doing a lot of work in Europe. Slovenia, Hungary, France, Poland, Cape Verde, Croatia, Bulgaria, Ukraine, Slovak Republic. Pretty cool. It's pretty cool. I'm still waiting to get that South Africa contact on the new antenna in Ballon. Posted that video for you. Oh, link please. And while you're doing that, I'm going to put am I going to put some music on? Let me think about this for a minute. Let me just bring up YouTube and see if these speakers work. Ah, here we go. Okay. There's a good YouTube video to bring up. And I have a problem with my sound. What's wrong with my sound? Who's giving you thumbs down? Come on. Really?
Quite a little stick, but all I have to do is crib it together a little bit, and it'll end up being quite a solid fit like this side is here. So with that, I can also push the electrodes through the crucible to whatever height I want. You can see there, I can reduce that height there, because I don't want too much of the electrode sticking out of the crucible, just enough to make contact with the iron, otherwise I run the risk of melting the electrode. If the electrode's held in, now you've a crucible designed for vaporising iron for the magnetic gas for the EPG. Now you've seen my MOT video before. It's just to provide the current to melt the metal with. This is a crucible here which I've made just out of refractory material. That's the phosphate bonded refractory material that I'm using. What I've done to make the crucible is I've got a carbon crucible. So I've taken a silicon mould of the crucible. It's just a mould on the inside and then the outside. So after I remove the crucible, I've got a mould of what the crucible shape is like, and through the top hole there I can pour the refractory material in, and after it hardens I'll remove it, and I've just cut the length down a bit so it's a shallower crucible, and I've drilled 2 holes in it for my tungsten electrodes. I've also just reinforced it a little bit on the bottom to hold the electrodes in. I'll do a bit more on that now. What I'm using is 4mm thoriated tungsten electrodes. I've cut them to size, and for the connectors what I've done is I've got some stainless steel tube. I've cut a certain length of it, ground out the inside so it's nice and clean for a positive contact, and I've also cut a slitter on it to facilitate the friction fit. Now after I determine the length and everything like that, just at the moment this quite a loose fit, but all I have to do is crimp it together a little bit, and it'll end up being quite a solid fit like this side is here. So with that I can also push the electrodes through the crucible to whatever height I want. You see there, I can reduce that height there, because I don't want too much of the electrode sticking out of the crucible, just enough to make contact with the iron. Otherwise I run the risk of melting the electrode. If the electrode's held in by the refractory material, it'll act as a heat sink, and the electrode should stay, well, shouldn't melt compared to the iron around it, because the iron vaporises or boils at about 2800 degrees or so, Celsius that is. So yeah, through the heat sink effect I'll be able to keep my electrode solid. This is just a plaster stand I've made to keep the crucible upright while I'm melting it. So after I finish the electrodes and insert them on each side, hang on a sec, I'll try to do it now.
You need to start using a tripod and use both hands in front of the camera.
You can see there, all I have to do is drop a piece of iron in there and it should make contact between the 2 electrodes, and that'll start the boiling process. Once the iron is melted into a ball, it should maintain contact with the electrodes at the bottom of the crucible, increasing the heat and allowing it to vaporise. What I plan on doing is having like a board. I'll be taking this to the electrical shop next week to get some proper lugs properly crimped onto that, because I don't have any crimping devices this big. So you'll have one on each side effectively, making contact with this electrode and that electrode. The purpose of these friction fit cuffs is so I can weld the lug onto the pipe there. That'll maintain a solid contact, because you don't want a thin connection there, you want a thick one, otherwise it'll blow this out before you vaporise enough metal there. Now once the metal's vaporised, I've got a bell jar here which I've cut a hole in the top and to fit a piece of tube into it. I can also have an inlet on the bottom on the board that I was talking about making, with some argon gas being introduced, A, to keep the oxide down, and B, to hopefully covalently bond it with the metal vapour that I'm making, and through that I'll be able to evacuate it into the EPG chamber through that tube on the top. Now hopefully that should all work. So anyway, stay tuned, post your comments, and I'll post next video soon. Bye.
Ah. That's it.
We're going to Electro here, just doing a video on
Well, I've already seen that one. Alright, so I got my speakers working. That's good.
Thank you, 18, Tango Mike 6 Mike.
Get a little better signal on you. You did make S9 on occasion here, and a little bit of QXB on signals, but and the last couple of times I didn't have that noise go through, so that was helpful too. So that's the deal. And you know, I did want to try this. I think probably both of you have used this frequency before. I ran into what's his name now? I can't say it. Scott. Yeah. WU20 at 60 meters a couple of nights ago, and we had a good discussion. I had worked him a couple other times on 60, and he said, well, you ought to get on 36, 36, and you know, we talk about SDR and all that stuff, but we don't always talk about it. And so, yeah, I was doing it. So I decided to tune through here, and John was calling CQ, so it was the perfect opportunity, but Scott didn't show tonight, or at least not yet, so that's my story. And yeah, 30 megabits on download ought to be plenty. You ought to be able to download HD TV. I have a friend who has 2 megabits, and he can just get through to YouTube with that. And I have another friend that has Verizon with DSL, and you know, with 768, I guess they average it out at, and that won't do it. It just keeps, you know, goes a few seconds, and then you gotta wait, and then it goes another 10 or 15 seconds, and you gotta wait. And so the DSL just isn't worth it. So even though you can get that cheaper and probably not have constant rate increases, it didn't seem to be worth the bother there. But I would think these days, you know, what I might do is just buy one of those boxes, or what do they call them? Well, they come with the smart TV type stuff. They come now with the laser disc players, and you can actually you get your TV off the internet and then bypass the cable. And this one friend of mine, when I was down to his house about 6 months ago, he showed me all that, and I was pretty impressed with what you could do with just you know, that box and over the internet. And he's not watching, he can watch YouTube also, but you know, the regular network and movies and you know, the older the programs and newer programs and what have you, it seemed to really work well. I was impressed. I was tempted to actually go out and get one of them and give it a try. But I said, well, then I got to get Time Warner, so that kind of turned me off. So that's kind of what happened there. And I don't know, Roland, if you tried any of the digital channels. Actually, I do better with the digital channel. Hotel Echo Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha 1 Hotel Echo Whiskey, trust us. 6 CQ contest, Whiskey Alpha 1, Hotel Echo Whiskey contest. November Radio 3 X-ray. November Radio 3 X-ray. CQ contest. Echo 9 Charlie Bravo. CQ contest, Victor Echo 9 Charlie Bravo. CQ contest, Victor Echo 9 Charlie Bravo. Again? CQ contest, Victor Echo 9 Charlie Bravo. CQ contest, Victor Echo 9. November.
Well, Russ has finagled a whole bunch of ice machines out of the state of Massachusetts on my tax dollars, so maybe he can get one for his boat and he can call it a yacht.
Yeah, really. I would expect Russ would already have that.
Those farmers, they take advantage of everything.
Next thing you know, they're going to be subsidizing the price of oysters just like we subsidize the price of corn.
We're going to pay you to not grow oysters.
How come I'm not getting a live stream on Wes's house? Come on Les's house, or Russ's house, whatever.
I think he works in the news when he's working on the radio, so he works here.
It's a little creepy, but probably very true.
It is well, please.
Amazingly quiet out here considering we have a contest going on.
I guess if you want DX, you're not going to go to 75 meters.
Late at night, where the hell are you going to go? I mean, you know, there's only so much room on 40 and 20's kind of crapped out.
That'll show up any minute now. AC2, BUD.
Wow, you're good. Wow. Are you kidding me? AC2BUD. Good. Well, you guys got the what camera on in here? I don't know. How did you know? I just turned the radio on.
All of a sudden, I said, Bud's gonna show up.
I figured you woke up from your nap.
I don't see your camera here.
I swear to God, I just now turned the radio on, and And the first words I heard was Dave say, "I'll be here any minute." I mean, how goddamn freaky is that?
It's not like he texted you or anything, right?
Holy moly. Oh, good evening. And this is KC2BUD. I gotta go tell my wife this.
You're predictable. The Galloping Gourmet knows all.
Holy crap, I'm gonna play lotto.
Let's not take this too far now, bud. It, could be dangerous.
Good evening, gentlemen. Wow. So I'm that predictable, my wife said?
He's that predictable to me. I can only imagine to her. Wow.
Oh, well, I was really expecting to hear a lot of contesters out there when they turned the radio on. And I was pleasant surprised that there are no contesters, or maybe there have been. We've been out here.
No, they've been down the band. Well, really up the band. A little amplification going here.
Yeah, we lucked out last night. I mean, they were all around us. A guy came 2 kc below us there for a little while, but for the most part, we did pretty good last night.
Yeah, they're nowhere near us tonight.
Right, so I heard Pedro, I heard David, I heard Gerald, who else is out there?
That's about it. Slow night, huh? Yeah, it's the eve before the resurrection. It's a holy night.
Yeah, no one's been resurrected yet. We're all in the grave. Boy, you don't want to be Hillary Clinton in Alaska, do you? Yikes.
Like she crushed up there?
Dude, Sanders got 80.7%, Clinton got 19.3%. Kind of similar in Washington. Sanders 72.3%, Clinton 27.6%.
Yeah, but there's only 300 people there in Alaska.
Yeah, well, that's the problem. But the good part is you can look out your front window and see Russia. And I've been to her hometown.
Really?
Really?
So what's up in Wasilla?
Wasilla? It's a suburb of Anchorage, which is pretty much a suburb of Seattle in some really weird way, but
So is like a big booming metropolis there now?
It's actually grown like leaps and bounds in the last 10 or 15 years. It's kind of funny. Wasilla's like 4 times bigger than it used to be. But then again, I guess most everything else is, so, yeah.
That's where Chris Hunter lives.
You know what's amazing? First of all, I saw the one with the bird that landed on the podium for Bernie there. A little news clip. How many people he's drawing? I'm like, oh my God, what is wrong with the country?
It's kind of amazing that a socialist can get... They just don't know, Bud. They don't know what that means.
But they're not all young people. I mean, I'll grant you the majority of them maybe, but they're not all young people.
4, check 3, 4.
Well, I guess it had to happen sooner or later.
How very true indeed. I'm just so sad I can only transmit like whatever 3 wide, not like some of these guys.
Well, I was trying to be a good neighbor last night. There was a guy 4 KC, actually he was 3 KC below us, and I was transmitting 4 KC. So I slimmed down a little bit, just to be a nice guy. And then he came up another KC, but he wasn't there long.
Just returning the favor.
Kilowatt 2 Hotel Box. Oh yeah.
How you doing, KB?
K1 RTA with the soldering iron.
Oh, yeah. Your signal and your audio is just so nice to hear over here now.
Who's that? Russ?
You.
Thank you very much. The interesting part is it's actually less power than before, but it's all audio, so.
Yeah, well, that's what it's all about, signal be damned, it's what you can hear.
You see, Bud, what we learned back in the CV world was true. It don't mean a thing if you ain't got that swing.
The sugar was dying to tell you you were full of crap, but he couldn't get it out. He just made his little comment, and then that was the end of it.
What was he trying to say?
I don't know, but he said 3 times. He's like, I don't agree. It doesn't sound that I don't agree.
Yeah, I heard him say that, but I kind of, whatever. Look. Let's start with the basics. A, it does sound better than before, and B, I have no idea how to make it sound any better than this, so I don't really care.
You have no need to. Either thing. Make it better or care.
Exactly right, so, it's a hobby.
Well, some people have to be at the pinnacle, the height of everything, it's just the way it is. But I can understand that. I can deal with that.
Even if they do only have general class lights. Oh, wait, sorry, that was so inappropriate.
Sensitive.
This intermission brought to you by the Notch Company. Making Notch filters for your ham radio use for the last 274 years. When you hear squirrel noises, think Notch.
These guys are funny.
So quiet. I'm starting to miss sugar.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, but
Hi, Gary.
so now that I have this microphone set up on the 1000 MP, I'm wondering if I should switch over the remote operation station to the FT900 and just use that as a dedicated remote radio. Because when I remote, I don't use the amp anyway. I mean, I can, but I don't, right? So just run the 900 and be done with it.
Yeah, I don't think I know what the 900 is. That was what you were on last night for a while. Yeah, it wasn't good.
It's not as good as, first of all, it's not plugged into the amplifier. Let's start with the basics.
And then how narrow is it?
It's the same. It's actually got the same transmitter board as the 1000 MP there at Tackle.
Yeah, I spent most of my day working DX.
Well, maybe it was the stock mic, but it sounded so much narrow.
Yeah, with a handheld mic.
you go to that page and look at my
It wouldn't really matter because it would be Skype audio.
10 Commandments, of course you are. Oh man.
The rigs are like most
And I'm just here getting drunk. So,
identical. Transmit boards identical.
sinner that I am.
It's just an absolutely awesome radio. I mean, this thing is like bulletproof.
I boxed the unit nice. What the hell are you talking about?
Quiet. Everybody burned out? What's going on here?
I don't know. I'm polishing off the last of a bottle of wine, so I'm going to bed soon.
What do you say? We gotta start drinking.
Yeah, right, exactly. Here we go, kids.
Oh, the white noise unit. Yeah.
I'm probably gonna
Yeah.
go out an early night. Me and Tom were on, I think, till 2 in the morning.
Wow.
Just the two of you?
That's it.
It's called the Kesh box. You have to imagine that it's there.
It was really nice. My wife went to bed. The plasma TV was off. It was good.
The things you have to do to get a decent night on the radio.
Replace that TV. We get this every night. Well, you know what? I have my AGCT turned down so low that if you don't have a big signal, I ain't gonna hear you. So it really takes that noise out. But if there's a weak signal out there, I won't hear them.
Yeah, that's what I do. I've got the gain down literally at 50%. Got all the receive preamplifiers in the radio turned off. You know, she's on the slowest possible setting you can go on. So, you know, you got to be in the neighborhood if you want to be heard.
What a real chatty group we have here tonight.
Oh, yeah. I'm sitting here playing with the VHF to UHF radio. Yeah. See what's going on. Like, people see the Connecticut repeater areas.
Any activity? How close you talking into that PR 781 Pete?
About, let's see, I don't know, 6 inches away, 8 inches away, somewhere in there.
Oh, really?
Should it be further, closer?
Oh, no. It sounds good we are. Just curious, you know. Sometimes I get up too close to mine and it gets very bassy and my local audio guru here says, no, that's not good.
Yeah, copy that. No, I also, like, I'm talking, it's on the side of me, it's not in front of me, you know what I mean?
Oh, it's on the side of you. That doesn't pick up well on the side of you. I mean, it even has stamped on it. Must be directly spoken into the front. A little arrow in here.
Yeah. I mean, it's, well, I don't know, it's not 90 degrees. It's kind of like, it is 60, I'd say, give or take. But, you know, whatever.
Hummingbird here. A hummingbird here. We're too small for them. So I got a Baltimore
interesting man in the world came. He was also number 98, so Becky's candle.
What the hell was that? And what was the reason for the termination?
The millennial drinkers, they're trying to get younger drinkers.
Who is?
So Becky's, they canned the most interesting man in the world campaign.
Oh, really? Alright, let's see what's going on in the UHF 440 spectrum out there in the radio world. Is it 4 signals? 5 signals? What else we got here? Come on. 446. 447. Still 5 signals. Not a whole lot going on in UHF world tonight.
You got a scope?
No. I just had the smart search on the Yaesu. Oh, 6, 7, 8. Whoa, it's got to be birdies. Come on. I got 8 signals on 440. So I'm just using the smart search, but from here I get like all of New York, all of Connecticut, and a chunk of Rhode Island, so it's kind of fun.
Yeah, Dave, your ELAD 2-meter 440 covers the whole spectrum, doesn't it? I think it does. I never played it because you know what, Bud, I can't bypass the amplifier, so so going through that tuner, when I click on it, I think it tells me, band not supported or something. I should run, I should use them to 11 meters. The antenna that you're using receive is the same antenna you're using to transmit on. You don't have a dedicated receive antenna. Yeah, that's right. I can listen to 11 meters.
No, 100 synthesizers.
Well, thank you very much.
Sounding that.
Have you guys acquired a friend here tonight?
It must be 100 synthesizers.
Jerry, there's a fair amount of activity on the Dennis repeater, I guess, but other than that, like you said, wall fan or whatever, but I don't get wall fan. So, there's no tone, is that just a straight, there's not even a tone on wall fan, is it?
No, I'm pretty sure there's a tone on there.
I was driving around doing sales calls and stuff and just keying up the Boston repeater all over the place. That repeater has coverage from, the South Shore all the way up to the New Hampshire border, and there's nobody on it.
Which repeater is this?
The Boston 230. It's on top of it's like on top of the Prudential or something.
Interesting.
I wonder if you could hit it, Pete.
That's exactly what I'm wondering.
I don't know, 600 feet up there.
145.23?
Yeah.
I just put my the cans into the microphone.
So where's the muffler man? I thought I heard him out there before. He's on the other side of his shack.
burning himself. So Dave, when I hear it, can you get more than one receive? Somebody's zero beating.
Yeah, you're not hearing me on there. You're keying up a different machine.
I gotta see which one it is.
Synthesizers, all of them.
Oh, forget it. I'm hitting one of the Bronx. There's an open 230 machine in the Bronx, so it doesn't matter what PL I'm kicking. All right, skip that. I could probably look out the window and see the Bronx right down Long Island Sound from here, so anyway. Shut that off. There we go.
You were mighty there for a minute.
Hey man, I can kick repeaters on the Cape, why not?
Hey Pete, go to 144.905 Simplex.
Hang on, sir. I got the radio back on. Where's it? 144 what? 905? Yeah, 144.
Yeah, 144.905. And it synthesizes all of them.
I guess Bud can't hear me. Hello, Budster.
That was sending 300 watts your way.
Nope. You got a beam or just how many?
Yeah, I got a Diamond 510 up about 46 feet.
Yeah, copy that. I can pretty much blanket like the North Shore, you know, but getting over that ridge line halfway down the island, especially that.
I'm sort of running out of gas, I guess. See everybody leaving. That's fine. I'm about to check out here myself. Adirondacks. Wow. Hey, buddy. I got something I want to show you. Where is it? Yeah, actually, this roller inductor that Clem Hoon was so kind to subsidize for me, I may actually end up reselling this on eBay because I'm looking at the pricing of actual high-powered antenna tuners that are already pre-manufactured, like the MFJ 989 or 986 or something like that. I can pick one of those up for like $125. I was like, wow, really? They're that inexpensive? So, yeah, I might end up reselling this. But what I wanted to show you was this. You were asking me about my polyphaser. This is the polyphaser that I'm using for my HF work. It's a Lima Alpha Bravo Hotel 350 Nancy. 350? Yeah, 350 Nancy. And it's rated, I don't know, it's rated for HF. DC coupling, and this is what I'm using for lightning suppression against the ground bar, grounded to the ground rods outside, and through a Ballon transformer to isolate the antenna leads. So, yeah. So how you feeling? Well, get on that, man. Get on it. All right. Not working 75 anymore. Let me get the speakers plugged in again here. All right. Well, I'm just about ready to check out. So, I'm sorry. Sorry to run out on you. But, I'm about out of gas. Make any new contacts? Any new contacts? Dude, I made over 70 contacts today during the CQWW DX contest. My furthest contacts were Moscow and what the hell? Let me just pull it up quick. I need to. I've already installed my my logging software. I need to figure out how to use it. I've been logging all my contacts at QRZ.com, but that is not the optimum way to go about it. I want to tie the serial port of the TS140S into the computer because the ham radio libraries for Linux support the TS140S, and it will import all of the frequency information directly into the logging software. So I don't even need to log the frequency because it's automatically recorded when I bring up the contact. And that's one of the things I wanted to do tonight, but I just never got around to it. K4PV, huh? Let me see. That call actually sounds familiar. 20 meters was frickin' hot today. Even 15 meters. I worked Brazil on 15 meters. I was blown away. I couldn't believe I actually did that. This antenna rocks. I mean, really frickin' rocks. Alright, let's pull up my logbook here. Yeah, I worked a ridiculous number of stations on 20 meters today. Alright, so we start there. Hotel Golf 1 Sierra, Hungary. Blah, blah, blah. No, I guess that's it. Hotel Golf 8 Romeo, another Hungary. K4PV. A 00159 report. I heard a number of those. Really? You might be interested in that inductor? Well, you know, I just might sell it to you. It's 60 microhenries, dude. Two to 60. Crazy. Oh, man. But it really looks like I can buy a prefabbed antenna tuner to do what I want it to do cheaper than I can build it. And if I can do that, I've got some air variable capacitors that I can sell on eBay as well that I know will sell, and will actually net me some money in my pocket here. Take care, Go Russia. Really? 65? Huh. I should check what the weather is predicted here. I might take my bike out. Let's see. WFSB Channel 3 weather. Easter Sunday. Partly sunny but milder. High 56 inland, 52 shore. Still a little on the cool side. I'll get it Monday. Okay. You have 3 variable caps. Really? Want to get rid of any? And what is the range? And the plate spacing. Let me show you the kind of variable caps that I'm looking for. You may already know, but I will show you anyway. Yeah, I have to dig them out. That's okay. This is the kind of air variable capacitor that I'm looking for. All right. Plate to plate, you're looking at about 3/16 of an inch. All right. And the gap in between each of the plates is about 1/16 of an inch or a little bit greater. All right. And I'm looking for capacitors that are a little bit longer than this, so about 6-7 inches long. This one has a capacitance range of 30 to 180 picofarads. I need a capacitance range of at least 500 picofarads. Right? That's what I need. And if I can't find those, then I am going to buy that that MFJ tuner that I found on eBay. Alright guys, I'm done for the night. I'll catch you tomorrow. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow evening, my wife has planned a nice dinner with the family. So, it's kind of a traditional Easter dinner. And I'll catch you later. Adirondacks, go to bed, get some sleep, get some rest. Drink some colloidal silver, will you please?